lights in that I ordered. I bought 2 square insert headlights and 2 of the trailer lights for the rear end of the mud mower. So I'm gonna go ahead and go try to get this stuff installed, and I'll see y'all back in a bit. Alright guys, here we are installing these LED lights that I had purchased the other day. So what I came up with so far is I went ahead and cut the old existing light pods out, and what I'm planning on doing is welding a bracket on each side of the light here to set these in like this, so they'll be pointing down enough. I would have put it with the factory insert, they would have been facing up, and I didn't want that. So I got it all cut out, and what I'm going to do is come with 2 pieces on each side like this on both side lights. Then once I get all that in place, I'm thinking I'm going to go ahead and build a full grill with the cutouts for the lights to make it kind of look, you know, a little cleaner. So let's get to it. Alright, what I got here is just some 1/8 plate, and I'm going to cut 2 1/8 pieces off of it to go ahead and make my bracket. So let's get that done. Now that I got my 2 strips cut, I'm going to go ahead and just clean them off, and we'll go ahead and check fitment and see what kind of fab we're going to have to do to get them in there. So here's a little bit closer look of what I got going on. I welded the 2 little strips of metal, and then I had to make them offset to where the lights leaned back to where they wasn't pointing up in the air, and then I just welded a little piece across to hold it to brace it all down. So got one side done. Let's go ahead and do the other side, and then we can mark out to drill the holes to mount the lights. Alright, I got the lights mounted in, so now to put a grill on. So what I came up with is cut a piece of metal out of an old lawnmower hood I had, and went ahead and made just a little simple grill just to kind of cover all this big hole and everything. I didn't like the way it looked, so it ain't much, but it's a little something to kind of dress it up some, and then by the time I paint it and everything else, I think it'll look alright. I think what I'm going to do is once I paint the whole mower later on in the future, just go offset color with this, and I might add something here to dress it up a little bit. I ain't sure yet, but that's the headlights installed and a sort of a grill put in. So now just spin this thing around, and we'll go ahead and start working on the back light. For the rear lights, I'm gonna be using a marker for a trailer marker lights or something like on top of the license plate. You normally put them or something, but that's what I'm using. They also LED. And my first plan was to go ahead and put 2 of them, but I see no point in that. So I think what I'm doing, I'm just going to put one mounted right here up in the middle, and that should be plenty enough light to see me at night. So go ahead and pop these in, and then we're going to be able to start wiring all these lights in. Alright, just to gonna show you how these lights mount up. They got this plastic piece, and they come with these, I don't know, self-threading screws. You drill a hole a little bit smaller than the diameter of the screw, and then when you mount this to the mower, and then the lights will just snap in. So let's go ahead and put this in there, and then I'll show you how the lights snap in. Alright, so I got the little adapter screwed into place. and there's a spot for your wires to pass through the center of it, so we just go ahead and snap it in. There it is. Got it snapped in. Tell you what, this snaps in tight. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and try to figure out where I'm going to mount my light switch and everything, and start running wires. Alright, so here's the toggle switch I got. It's one of them rocker switches with the cover, and you flip it on and just push the whole thing down and shut it off. So let's go ahead and wire this up, and then we're going to test these lights out. Okay, so we got all the lights on, wired up, and let's give it a shot, see what they look like. From what I can tell, they could be pretty bright. It's kind of raining right now, so hopefully tonight this rain will let up. Maybe I'll do a quick little rod to see how they do. There's the backlight. It's pretty bright too for just a little red light like it is. Does good. So I can't wait to see how these things do in the dark. So my next project on this mower is probably going to be a battery box, because I have to go ahead and secure that, because the last rod I went on, it was kind of bouncing around. So that's probably going to be the next thing I'm going to work on, is building that battery box. And if y'all enjoy what y'all seeing so far, y'all stay tuned for the next step of this build. Thanks.